We're told Lena puts $35 in her savings account each month for 9 months. She earns $1.25 total interest during that time. What is the balance in Lena's savings account after 9 months? Pause this video, have a go at it. Okay, so first we just have to calculate how much she put in and then add the interest. So the amount that she puts in is $35 per month times 9 months. So if we take $35 times 9 months, 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 3 is 27, plus 4 is 31. So that's how much she deposits, but she also got interest on that. So if we then add another $1.25, so then if we add all of this together, we're going to get $316.25 as our answer, and we're done. Now some of you might be saying, what is this interest thing and why are banks paying it? Well, when you put money in your bank, they want you to put money in the bank because they can do things with that money. They can sometimes lend some of that money out to other people. And when they lend it to other people, they make interest on that. So they are essentially paying you to be able to lend your money out. So that's what interest is. It's the bank paying you to keep money with them that they can just use for other things. But that's why it's sometimes good to keep it with a bank, because you're not just saving directly the money that you save, but you're actually earning extra money on it for someone to be able to keep it in the bank. And it's oftentimes convenient and safe to keep it in the bank, easy to keep track of.